Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan. What are we doing today, guys? Smoothie bowl. Let's get it now. Alright guys, so we are doing a smoothie bowl. This bad boy is going to be healthy. All 9 amino acids because it's going to be a complete protein because of the hemp hearts. We have some bananas, we have some blueberries, we have some raspberries, peanut powder. We also have some cherries. We got flax seeds for the omega-3s and the protein along with the fiber for the healthy gut. Here's my 1970s Pen Crest blender. We're going to go ahead and just stuff this bad boy right now. Alright, so in general I have about 3 bananas. Depending on the size of yours, okay? We're just going to go ahead and put all 3 of those in here like this. All right? We're not going to use any commercial type of milk. We're going to use water. I do have about a cup of frozen blueberries. These are going to be the small ones, guys, okay? We do have some hemp hearts, a complete protein, all 9 amino acids, about 2 tablespoons into that right there. We do have cranberries, guys. What are the benefits of those? Enormous. So many benefits of those. Hydration, skin, hair, amino acids in those also. We have the urethra, guys, the urinary tract. #1 for that. We're going to go with a little bit of peanut powder, okay, for the protein. Flax seeds, about 2 tablespoons. This guy right here is going to be about 20 grams of protein and up. Cherries, these are going to be frozen, all right? I'm going to throw a little bit of cinnamon in there. Beautiful. Put all that aside. Now, as far as the liquid goes, I like to use water. That's it. I don't need no commercial milk. I don't want any carrageenan. I don't want any type of xanthan gums, thickening agents, extra stuff that my body does not want and or does not utilize. All right, guys? So we got about 3/4 of the way full. I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up of this. Look at this. This guy right here is going to make an amazing smoothie. Let's get into it right now. So we're going to put this guy right here. This is how simple it is to be healthy. Slap on the top. Already the colors in this guy right here, vibrant blue and purple, rocking and rolling. If you don't have a blender, you can go ahead and use a food processor. I used a food processor in the past. No big deal, guys, okay? Give it a little bit more. Then I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up and we're going to decorate this guy, alright? Alright, guys, this is my smoothie I'm going to be making right here. I do have some extra hemp hearts, frozen cherries right there cut in half, some mini blueberries, some wild blueberries, more antioxidants than regular plump fresh ones, sliced bananas, and some frozen raspberries right there, guys. So let's go ahead and see what's going on. Look at that. That looks so good. I can smell the peanut butter right now from that. So we're going to go ahead and decorate it with some bananas. Now you could go ahead and decorate it any way you want, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and make it nice and pretty and make it yummy. All right. So we do have the bananas right here for the potassium. We do have it for the fiber. And we do have it for the amino acid profile, guys. I'm going to put 3 on that side. Then we're going to go ahead and do 3 on this side. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do another one. I'm going to put another one there. And I'm going to put another one there, just like that. We're going to go some mini blueberries right over here like this. Down the line. You do not have to make it pretty like I do. Just going to put these over here. Wild blueberries have more antioxidants than regular blueberries, guys. But it's good to get best of both worlds, okay? Eat them both because both are going to benefit you in some way, shape, or form. We're just going to go ahead and put a couple of these guys right over there. Nice and purple, right like that. Any of my fruit or any of my vegetables in any of my videos, you can go ahead and substitute any way you want, okay? I'm going to put a couple more there, one there. I think I want a couple down the middle like that on top of the bananas. Just like that. If I can get these guys out of the bowl, right? Beautiful. A few more here, then we'll be on our way. Okay, that's looking pretty dang awesome right there. We do have some cherries right here. These are frozen cherries. I'm going to put these guys right here like this. And they're going to do its best job not to sink to the bottom. Wow. That is antioxidant rich hydration. Look at that. We're going to go with some hemp hearts. These are the inside, okay, of the hemp seeds. They melt in your mouth. 9 amino acids, complete protein. We're going to go ahead and put, oh God, I don't even know. We're going to put a pile here and we're going to put a pile there. We're going to go ahead and put another one there and another one there. I absolutely love these. And we're going to go in the back over here like that. Look at that. Now we have some raspberries. We're going to maybe doctor it up on the side over here. Give me some red. The number one benefit why I do raspberries amongst others is the fiber, guys. The fiber content in raspberries is spot on for myself. Again, you could go ahead and substitute any type of my vegetables or fruits in any of my videos, guys. Okay? All right. I think that's looking spot on. Look at that. I'm going to give you a close-up like I always do. Wow, that is booming with color. Antioxidant rich, anti-inflammatory, you name it, this bad boy has it. Thanks for watching The Spice. My name is Joseph. Until next time, guys, be safe, be yourself, and you got this. Thanks for watching. Bye.